Nearly 100,000 Subarus are being recalled because of issues with their HVAC systems.
Every Subaru owner with a 2012 through 2017 Crosstrek, Impreza, Forester, or WRX is driving around with a ticking time bomb hidden behind their dashboard. While you're focused on maintaining your engine and transmission, a $350 failure is quietly melting itself into oblivion. Subaru dealerships are charging desperate owners $3,500 to replace entire HVAC systems when a $40 repair could have prevented the catastrophe entirely. According to verified owner reports across multiple Subaru forums, including Subaru Crosstrek and XV forums, and the Subaru forums, this isn't an isolated incident, this is a pattern failure affecting thousands of vehicles. In this video, you'll discover the exact symptom that warns you before complete failure, the specific part numbers you need to avoid dealership markups, and why ignoring that wonky blower speed today costs you 10 times more tomorrow. This isn't about comfort, this is about whether you'll be stranded in summer heat with no AC because you missed the warning signs Subaru never told you to watch for. Here's what's really destroying your Subaru's HVAC system. Your blower motor has 4 speed settings. When speed 4, the highest setting, stops working or cuts in and out when you wiggle the knob, you're witnessing the early stage of a complete HVAC control failure. According to documented cases on Subaru owner forums, this exact symptom precedes total system burnout by weeks or months. The problem starts with the manual HVAC control panel's blower fan speed switch, part number 72311 FJ050. This switch, integrated into the control panel assembly, develops poor electrical connections that generate heat. That heat melts the plastic housing around the switch contacts, which creates even worse connections and more heat, creating a destructive cycle. According to verified reports from multiple 2014 Crosstrek and Forester owners, the failure follows a predictable progression. First, speed 4 becomes intermittent. You turn the knob and nothing happens, but if you wiggle it or turn it back and forth rapidly between 3 and 4, you can sometimes make it work. This intermittent operation means the electrical contacts inside the switch are barely making connection. The poor connection creates electrical resistance. Resistance generates heat, and heat melts more plastic around the contacts. The hidden damage you cannot see. While you're dealing with that annoying intermittent highest blower speed, catastrophic damage is occurring behind the dashboard. The same poor connection causing your symptom is also melting the wiring harness connector that plugs into the back of the control panel. According to a 2014 Forester owner's documented repair, both the control panel switch contacts and the wiring harness connector showed visible burn damage and melted plastic when finally inspected. By the time most owners realize they need repair, both components require replacement. This explains why Subaru dealerships quote $3,500 for complete HVAC system replacement. They're not just replacing the control panel, they're replacing the burned wiring harness, often recommending new blower motors and resistors as a precaution, and charging for extensive labor to install a complete harness that runs throughout the dashboard. According to multiple owner reports, dealerships claim no repair harness exists, and that complete harness replacement is the only option. This is factually incorrect. The model years and specifications that matter. This failure specifically affects Subaru vehicles with manual HVAC systems, not automatic climate control. The affected model years are 2012 through 2017 Impreza, 2013 through 2017 Crosstrek, 2014 through 2017 Forester, and 2015 through 2017 WRX. All of these vehicles share the same control panel design and the same failure-prone blower fan speed switch integrated into part number 72311 FJ050. Subaru issued Technical Service Bulletin number 108315, dated November 25, 2015, specifically addressing HVAC control panel removal precautions. This bulletin warns technicians that the blower fan speed switch wiring harness is extremely fragile, and that even slight stress or tension during panel removal can damage the switch. The bulletin explicitly states that if the connector portion separates from the switch body even slightly, the entire HVAC control panel assembly must be replaced because the switch itself is not serviceable separately. This admission from Subaru confirms the design flaw, a non-serviceable integrated switch that fails predictably and requires expensive panel replacement. The real cost of this failure. The genuine Subaru HVAC control panel assembly, part number 72311FJ050, has a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $455.07. Discount Subaru parts retailers sell this same part for between $301.71 and $360.41, depending on the retailer. This is just for the control panel itself. The wiring harness connector repair is where Subaru's parts policy creates unnecessary expense. According to official Subaru Parts Department policy, they only sell complete wiring harnesses, not repair connectors. Installing a complete instrument panel wiring harness requires removing the entire dashboard, disconnecting every electrical component, routing the new harness, and reassembling everything. This labor-intensive process explains the $3,500 dealership quotes reported by multiple owners. However, iWire, a Subaru wiring specialist company, manufactures an exact replacement pigtail connector specifically for this failure. The pigtail includes 12 inches of wire per terminal and comes with butt connectors for easy splicing into the existing harness.
So when you order a pigtail kit from us, you can also order it with the crimps. They're really easy to use, so we highly recommend when you order a pigtail from us that you utilize them.
Multiple Subaru owners report successful repairs using this $40 iWire pigtail combined with the replacement control panel. Amazon also sells compatible replacement pigtails for approximately $25 to $35. The wire colors may not match the original harness colors, requiring careful wire identification during installation.
We'll pigtail in the same color, but sometimes they get a little distorted.
Why this failure happens and how to prevent it. The root cause is a fundamentally flawed design where a mechanical rotary switch handles relatively high electrical current for blower motor control. Every time you change fan speeds, electrical contacts physically slide against each other inside the switch. Over thousands of cycles, these contacts wear, oxidize, and develop higher electrical resistance. Higher resistance generates more heat during current flow, which accelerates plastic degradation around the contacts. This creates a self-destructive cycle where poor connections cause heat. Heat causes worse connections until complete failure. According to Technical Service Bulletin reports from Subaru, some blower motor failures also contribute to this problem. If a blower motor develops internal bearing wear or corrosion, it draws higher electrical current to operate. This increased current flowing through already marginal switch contacts accelerates the heat damage and hastens control panel failure. Subaru released updated blower motor assemblies with improved sealing to address water intrusion issues that cause premature motor bearing corrosion. The only prevention is early detection. If your blower speed 4 becomes intermittent, replace the control panel and inspect the harness connector immediately. Do not continue operating the system hoping the problem resolves itself. Every additional operation with poor electrical connections generates more heat and extends the damage further into the wiring harness. Catching this failure early means a $400 repair. Ignoring it until complete failure means potentially a $3,000 repair. Your action plan to avoid this disaster. First, test all 4 blower speeds right now. Turn your fan control through all 4 positions and verify each speed works reliably without wiggling the knob. If speed 4 cuts out or requires knob manipulation to engage, you're in the early failure stage. Second, if you discover intermittent operation, order the replacement control panel and iWire harness pigtail immediately. Do not wait for complete failure. The part numbers you need are 72311FJ050 for the Subaru control panel and the iWire blower fan switch HVAC plug A with pigtail option. Third, when installing the new control panel, carefully inspect the harness connector for any signs of melting, discoloration, or damage. If the connector shows any heat damage, replace it with the pigtail. Do not reuse damaged connectors even if they still make electrical contact. Fourth, consider this failure when evaluating used Subarus in these model year ranges. A vehicle history showing HVAC repairs indicates either the problem has been properly addressed or the car experienced the failure and received the patch repair. The 2012 through 2017 Subaru Crosstrek Impreza, Forester, and WRX with manual HVAC systems have a documented pattern failure of the blower fan speed switch integrated into the control panel. This failure costs between $300 and $400 when caught early, or up to $3,500 when ignored until complete system burnout. The specific symptom is intermittent or non-functional speed 4 operation requiring knob wiggling. The fix requires genuine Subaru control panel part number 72311FJ050 and an I-wire harness pigtail connector for approximately $40. Subaru Technical Service Bulletin 108315 confirms this is a known design issue requiring complete control panel replacement when the integrated switch fails. Test your blower speeds today, because that intermittent highest speed is your only warning before expensive failure. Have you experienced this HVAC blower control failure in your Subaru? Share your model year and exactly what symptoms you noticed in the comments. Hit that like button if this information protects your wallet from unnecessary dealership charges, and subscribe for fact-based automotive content that respects your intelligence and your money. Sources for all technical specifications, part numbers, and pricing are linked in the description. This is real information for real drivers making real decisions about their vehicles.